Yep, we're ready for van life.
That might not be what you guys were expecting to see when I opened up my van, but these two objects right here are what make van life possible. So this red boy right here, just got it yesterday. He allows me to work on the road, and this guy right here allows me to keep this bad boy charged. We have two of these. My girlfriend also works at the same place that I do. We work for a company out of California called Pittman Casting. So that's why we're able to do it. Super grateful for the job that we have. Super lucky to have it. And with this, we are able to start our adventures. Now, our first adventure starts in 1 week from today. In 7 days. 7 days. We are leaving on our very first trip for van life. And we're taking the van with us. Both dogs are coming with us, Cosmo and Sydney, even though Cosmo is not very obedient yet. He'll get there. Sydney wasn't necessarily obedient at the beginning either. And now we got her. She's an amazing dog. They're kind of the same as a puppy. Just got to give them time, consistency. Every single day train them and you'll get a great result. Sydney's getting the rest of her shots on Monday. Today's Friday. When you guys are seeing this, Sydney will be at the vet getting all of her shots, and she is approaching. Hi, baby Sid. Come here, Sydney. Sydney will be getting all of her shots on Monday, so she's ready to go. And with the new puppy, I think little Miss Sydney got kennel cough. Now, a lot of people are very scared of kennel cough, but kennel cough is basically the common cold for us. She's just been coughing a lot. She'll be okay. She'll make it through, but she's not very happy right now. She's pretty lethargic, kind of just letting her daddy love on her. If you know anything about blue heelers, you know they're crazy, and that's not what Sydney is right now. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. In a week, we will be going to Florida. We're going to be doing a couple really cool things there. We're going to Disney World, of course, but since we're driving, we're also going to Tennessee. We're going to go to the Smoky Mountains because Audrey or Sydney hasn't gone. There is 2 trails in the Smoky Mountains that dogs can go on. We're going to go on one of them because we will not have a lot of time in the Smoky Mountains. And yes, it's the middle of July, and we're going to Disney.
What? What the fuck?
Okay, why, you might ask? Well, that's my mom's 50th birthday. It's my mom's favorite place on the planet. So, it's all for my mom. And as soon as we get back from this trip, it'll be a couple weeks. We will be down there for 2 weeks. But as soon as we get back, van life conversions. As soon as we get back, van life conversions will be on the way. It'll be super awesome. The very first thing conversion-wise we're going to do is the windows. I think we're going to do windows first, and then we're going to install a ceiling fan, and then after that we're going to do solar, and then after that it's floors. So we have a roadmap set out for us. Super exciting. I know you guys have probably been waiting on the actual build of this, and that'll start early August, I think. We'll have a video out early August for our very first conversion. And then after that, it'll be boom, 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 boom. The reason why it took so long to get videos out right now is because this guy was over $2,000, like $2,200. And this guy was like $3,600. So together they were about $5,800. That does bring the total cost of the van up to $50,800, I don't know, math. $50,000 something dollars. So at the end, we'll give you a final price of how much everything costs, and we will be including everything, including these guys, including coolers, including AC units, including everything that goes into the van, everything that allows us to do van life. That will be in the price. Once we are finished, I'll tell you guys everything, but currently we're up to a little over $50,000. Our van costs $45,000. Let's get a proper introduction for this guy. His name is Cosmo. He is a 3.5-month-old lab mix. We haven't got him DNA tested yet. We don't know what he's mixed with. Him playing with his sister. We don't know what he's mixed with. We're hoping it's a pit. I love pits, and he kind of looks like a pit. He was in a shelter for a month and a half, and he was 3 months old. So if you could do the quick math, that means he was in there for half of his whole life. He was surrendered to the Humane Society of Missouri in St. Louis after just a week of his owner having him. I guess he got into a dog fight, and she tried to break it up. She bled a little bit, and then after that, she punished him for it and abandoned him in a shelter.
where lots of screaming dogs and lots of sleepless nights and lots of anxiety and worry about what he did wrong. But he is safe now with us. If you missed last episode, we had a contest about changing our YouTube name and the name of our van. And the winner was Vanny DeVito by a landslide. There was a couple comments I got on YouTube, but there was a lot of comments that I got across all of my social medias. Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube. And you guys should definitely go follow them. The link is below for mine and Audrey's. And Cosmo and Sydney's. They both have their own Instagram. Sydney's kind of the star of it right now since she listens well and she lets me take lots of photos of her. Here's a couple. They're beautiful, I know. But it looks like van life is coming along really well. We got our MacBook, we got a little bit of power, and we got our final family member. Kinda is just ready to set off on the road now. Awesome, thank you guys so much if you have made it to this portion of the video. If you guys could, go down and hit that like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you guys get notified when we get takeoff for Florida. It's going to be super fun coming up in the next weeks. I hope you guys stick around. And since today's video is all based around Cosmo, really, please go down, hit the links below, support your guys' local shelters. There's lots of them around. I'm going to put a couple of them around my town. But make sure you guys go out and support your local shelters because there is a lot of cats and dogs that are in need of lots of help, whether that be adopting, fostering, or just donating, or pledges. There's lots of ways you can help. Thank you guys so much again. I'll catch you later.